Helicoprion. Take a glance, and it looks terrifying. Look properly, and it still looks absolutely blimmin' terrifying. So today I'm going to tell you about it. Now, straight away, you can see that it has quite a weird quality, a saw blade, with teeth in its mouth. This tooth blade whirl thingy has gone through many changes, all of them being scary. At one point, the tooth whirl was even on top of the fin of the Helicoprion. If you haven't caught on yet, this creature is both awesome and terrifying at the same time. The Helicoprion, which means spiral saw, was first discovered in Russia by Andrzej P. Karpinski in 1889, and the species dates back to about 290 million to 250 million years ago, from the early Permian to the early Triassic, which means it survived the greatest mass extinction in history, named the Great Dying, which was caused by volcanic eruptions and the release of methane gas into the air, killing around 95% of marine and 70% of terrestrial life. That is, to make it short. I'll probably do a video on it at some point. Sadly, this triumph was short-lived. It became extinct just a few million years later. Can we have a moment of silence for the nightmare that is Helicoprion? Surprisingly, the Helicoprion may have not actually been a shark, even though it acted like a shark. Scientists believe that it was actually related to chimeras, cartilage-filled fish that are known for their unproportionately large heads. What's that, you say? But it looks exactly like a shark? Well, due to the fact that both shark and chimera skeletons are made entirely of cartilage, excluding their jaw and teeth, means that the majority of the creature is not fossilized or preserved, and so there is a chance that the creature is not a shark. However, it is not terribly likely. Helicoprion hunted small, soft-bodied prey such as squid and slayed them by repeatedly lunging and snapping their jaws, slicing their prey many times. Oh no, fun! I'd love that to happen. Woo, I'd love to watch that. Anyway, this drawing actually took a bit longer than I thought it would, and so the script isn't long enough. This bit is currently unscripted. And the script isn't long enough, so I'm gonna say, have a nice day. Hope you can sleep at night. Put some music on, and you can watch the rest of the speed drawing. Okay? Cool. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Subscribe, comment, and like. Do that stuff if you want. I don't really mind. Oh yeah, I have some bloopers too, so have fun.